Hey everybody, this is Evan with Let's Do This, and today I'm just going to be doing a year in review. I want to take a moment to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers, people that have found my channel. If you're a longtime subscriber from the beginning, or if you just found my channel recently, I sure do appreciate it. Hope you get some value out of my videos. Basically, just 9 to 5 working dad, 2 kids, married, don't have a lot of time, but I like to tinker around the house, fix things, make some little extra income by making some wood projects to sell online. Like for my family to eat good food that I know what goes in it, choose all my own ingredients, get not just buy what's in the store, but make it myself, tweak recipes if I want to. But yeah, it's been great. One highlight this year was probably, my brother having a meat shop, getting in there and seeing him break down a sirloin, break down a rump roast, chuck steak. So that was all fun to do. I appreciate those collaborations. Also, now that I have my property, I was able to get electricity put on there, put in a pedestal all by myself. This is my theater room. I put my own ceiling up. This acoustic ceiling just blows me away still every time I'm in this room and what I did with that. Making awesome furniture, rehabbing campers. I made a lot of sausage, fixed things around the house. I just got a lot done. And next year, I hope you can all join me as we grow again. I'm going to be doing more videos. Once a week, I try to do them. Sometimes we get a bonus one. Pretty soon we're going to have enough subscribers that we can change things up a little bit. I can spend more time making videos. I mean, that's the goal, is I'd like to get a little bit more in depth, pump out some more videos, maybe even get a better camera than just using my phone. But appreciate you subscribing and liking and sharing. If there's something you want to see, leave a comment, let me know. I just appreciate that this is reaching so many people. And when I started this channel 3 years ago, 1, 2, 3 subscribers. Now we're all the way up into the upper 600s. So I just appreciate that. And it shows me that there are people out there like me that want to see how things are done, like to do projects around the house. Maybe they're just interested in, how to do a camper rehab or what it's like to buy raw land and make it into something you can use. So I like to see that there's some value in it, because I sure like seeing videos of people like me doing things, not just people with awesome setups and the best cameras and good acoustics. I want value out of it too. I want to know I'm watching somebody that really knows kind of what they're doing, and being upfront if they don't. Like, I screw up a bit with my videos, so I appreciate you all watching and liking, like I said, and here's to another good year. I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching.